When it comes to cookware that stands the test of time, this Lodge Cast Iron Chef Collection skillet is in a league of its own. Designed with chefs in mind, this 10-inch skillet offers exceptional durability, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're whipping up a breakfast omelet, searing a steak, or baking a cobbler, this pre-seasoned skillet ensures consistent results every time. Let's dive into why the Lodge Cast Iron Chef Collection skillet is a must-have for every home and professional chef. Ideal use cases for the Lodge Cast Iron skillet. The Lodge 10-inch skillet is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, including searing and browning. Achieve a perfect crust on steaks, chops, or fish. Baking. Create delicious cornbread pies or even deep dish pizzas. Sautéing and stir-frying. Perfect for vegetables, shrimp, or chicken. Frying. Make crispy fried chicken, bacon, or hash browns. Simmering. Use for slow-cooked stews and sauces. Why choose Lodge over competitors? 1. Heritage and quality. Lodge has been a trusted name in cast iron cookware for over 125 years, offering products built to last. 2. Made in the USA. Supporting American craftsmanship ensures superior quality and ethical manufacturing practices. 3. Chef-approved design. The ergonomic handle, spatula-friendly sides, and pour spouts reflect a thoughtful design that enhances your cooking experience. Key features of the Lodge Cast Iron Chef Collection skillet. 1. Durable, handcrafted cast iron construction. Crafted in the USA, Lodge's 10-inch Chef Collection skillet boasts top-tier quality and durability. The cast iron material provides exceptional heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Unlike other materials, cast iron develops a natural non-stick surface with use, making it better with age. The handcrafted design is built to last generations, making it an heirloom quality piece that outshines non-stick cookware in both longevity and performance. 2. Chef-inspired ergonomic design. The skillet's ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip even during high-heat cooking. The spatula-friendly sidewalls make stirring, flipping, and sautéing effortless, while the generous pour spouts on both sides provide precise control when serving sauces or draining excess oil. This chef-inspired design allows for better handling and greater control, making it perfect for everything from delicate dishes to hearty roasts. 3. Versatility. Across cooking surfaces, one of the standout features of the Lodge skillet is its versatility. This cookware is compatible with virtually every cooking surface, including ovens, stovetops, gas, electric, induction, grills, open fire. Whether you're baking a pie in the oven, frying chicken on the stove, or grilling veggies over an open flame, this skillet adapts seamlessly to your culinary needs. 4. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. The Lodge Chef Collection skillet comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, so you can start cooking right away. The pre-seasoning provides a natural non-stick surface, allowing food to release easily while enhancing flavors. With proper care, the seasoning improves over time, making the skillet more efficient with every use. 5. Easy maintenance. Cleaning cast iron cookware might sound intimidating, but the Lodge skillet makes it simple. All it takes is 1. Hand washing with warm water. 2. Drying thoroughly. 3. Applying a light coat of vegetable oil before storing. This straightforward routine ensures your skillet stays in top condition, ready for your next culinary adventure. Benefits of the Lodge Cast Iron Chef Collection skillet. 1. Exceptional heat retention. Cast iron heats evenly and retains heat longer than other materials. This ensures perfectly cooked dishes, whether you're searing, sautéing, or baking. 2. Naturally non-stick. With regular use, the skillet develops a natural non-stick coating that enhances flavor while reducing the need for cooking sprays or oils. 3. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Unlike non-stick pans that require chemical coatings, Lodge cast iron skillets are made with natural materials, making them environmentally friendly. 4. Timeless appeal. The classic look and feel of cast iron cookware add a touch of rustic elegance to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.